Greetings, everyone. My name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you for being here for this Microsoft Outlook tutorial on saving attachments. So in this particular email, I have an attachment. You see it right there. So when I have an attachment, I can click on this drop down, and one of the options is I can open it, I can print it, but I can do a save as. In other words, I can save it somewhere on my computer. So I'm going to click Save As, and a lot of times when I save things, I will often temporarily just put them on my desktop, just right there, and click Save. Now at this point, I could give this a unique name, but I'm going to click Cancel for right now because I want to show you another way you can do this. I'm going to click Cancel. So this email is taking up my whole screen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shrink it down so it takes up less of the screen size. So I didn't minimize it, but I made it smaller. And the reason I did that is here on the right is the desktop of my computer. If I want to take this attachment and just save it on my desktop, all I have to do is click on it and drag it over and release it on the desktop. And there it is right there. Now, another thing you can do is let's say that I want to do a new email and I want to put it in the email. I'm going to show you that next. So I'm going to close this. I'm going to go back to an email that I'm going to send. And I'm just going to type in Tony at YouOldDog. And now I'm going to make this smaller. I'm going to just drag it over here. And the reason I'm making it smaller is just so you can see what's going on here. So at this point, I am just going to come right here to this file, just a simple text file. And if I want to put it in here as an attachment, all I have to do is click on it, drag it over, and now it's attached. I'll do another one. I'll drag it over here. That's another one. So you can drag files right onto Microsoft Outlook to attach it instead of having to go look for it. As I had mentioned before, the real trick of attachments is not attaching things, it's knowing where they are when you want to attach them. Are they in a folder? Where are they hiding? So that's the main thing you really need to know when you're going to send attachments. Okay, my friends, I thank you very much. You have a great day. Bye now.